everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, I will teach you everything about body mass index, its meaning, all the requirements needed, and then how to compute for this. And I know some of you, or let's say most of you, already know about it, but this video is for those who do not know yet how to compute for this, especially for my grade 7 students.
So let us now define body mass index. So we have here two meanings. First, it evaluates a person in terms of height and weight. BMI is a measurement that is a ratio of your weight and height. So the basic two requirements in computing for your BMI are the height and weight. As we proceed, I will be explaining to you what is the difference of the two. Next, BMI serve as a guide to consider if you are at risk of becoming obese. So that is why computing for your BMI is very important as it guides or helps you in identifying if you are at risk of becoming obese. So in knowing your BMI, it can help you determine any health risk you may face if it's outside of the healthy range. It is also a good way to gauge whether your weight is in healthy proportion to your height. So that is why computing for your BMI is really important. We are going to define what is height. So height is the measurement from base to top or of a standing person from head to foot. Okay, so this is a measurement from your foot to the top of your head. And usually we are using centimeter as unit in getting our height. But in computing for your BMI, the needed information is meter. So as we proceed, I will teach you on how are you going to convert centimeter into meter. So now, let us define what is weight. So the weight is the heaviness or lightness of a person. So for us to be able to get our weight, we are using weighing scale, and the unit that we are using is in kilograms. So weighing scale help us to determine how heavy and light we are. So this is the formula of BMI. So BMI or body mass index is equal to weight in kilograms over height in meter squared. So I will teach you how are you going to convert centimeter into meter. Let's say for example, your height is 156 centimeters. So how to convert it into meter? So since 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, so I will teach you step by step to convert centimeter into meter. So let's say for example, 156 centimeter over 1 because every whole number has a denominator of 1 times 1 meter over 100 centimeters. So let us first cancel the same unit. So let us cancel centimeter in 156 and same with centimeter in 100. So let us multiply the fraction. 156 times 1 is equal to 156 and 1 times 100 is equal to 100. So we have the answer 1.56 meters since the remaining unit is meter. So I just shown you the step by step, but if you can observe, I just divide 156 by 100 for me to get the meter. So all height that is in centimeter, for it to convert into meter, you are just going to divide it by 100, like 179. When you divide it by 100, it will become 1.79 meter. The same with 140 centimeter divided by 100. Since 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, so it will become 1.40 meters. So that's it.
Okay, so now let us proceed to our example computation. Okay, so again, the formula in getting your BMI is BMI is equal to weight over height in meters squared. Okay, so the given are, for weight, we have 52 kilograms, and for height, we have 1.56 meters. The first thing we need to do is to square the height, which is 1.56. So to square it, we need to multiply 1.56 by itself. So we will be having 1.56 times 1.56. The product is 2.4336. So we need to round it off to the nearest hundreds. So it will become 2.43. So let's proceed with the computation. We have 52 kilograms over 2.43 meters squared. Okay, so divide it. So we'll be having a quotient of 21.40 kilograms per meter squared. So this is also our computed BMI. Again, 21.40 kilograms per meter squared.
So these are now the classifications of BMI. So if your BMI is less than 18.5, you are classified as underweight. And if your BMI is from 18.5 to 24.9, you are classified as normal. And if your BMI is from 25 to 29.9, you are classified as overweight. And if it's greater than 30, it signifies obesity. And if it is greater than 40, it signifies extreme obesity. So let us now classify our computed BMI, which is 21.40 kilograms per meter squared. So because 21.40 is in between 18.5 to 24.9, so therefore it is classified as normal. So you are done. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from my video. Thank you.